Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is an unboxing video. I'm going to show you what I got instead of the Denim Quilted Tabby 26 by Coach, or the Coach Quilted Denim Tabby 26. That is a mouthful, but that bag didn't work for me. And if you want to find out why, I will link the videos that I did on it down below. There were 3 videos. There was the unboxing video, and then comparison while I had the bag. And then thirdly, the second reveal where I showed you what went wrong with the second or the replacement bag. And so since I sent both of those bags back, and by the way, I already got my refund from Coach, so hallelujah, I don't have to like hassle them or anything like that. Sometimes that happens with Coach. You need to make sure you get your money back. But I did, and I used that money to buy a luxury handbag. Yes, you heard that right. I traded Coach for a luxury handbag, and let me tell you, this bag costs less than the retail price of the Tabby 26 in quilted denim. The retail price of the Tabby 26 in quilted denim is $5.50 plus tax, and so let's just round it up and say around $600. The luxury bag I got to replace that bag cost $4.95 with no tax, because the bag I got was from a brand that for some reason, which I don't understand, does not charge sales tax in my state and in many states, apparently. I know that they also don't charge sales tax, I think, in Indiana, and I don't know the other states, but there's only a couple stores in the whole country. I think there might be 3, and for that reason, I think if you're not in one of those 3 states, then you may get away with not paying sales tax. So the item I got is from Mulberry, and I can't wait to show it to you. This is a bag that's kind of sparked my interest lately. I think I saw a video by With a Touch of Luxury about this bag, and she had it in sort of a creamy color, and when I saw it, I was intrigued. And I have a Mulberry bag. Actually, I have 2 Mulberry bags. Let me grab one of them, and that would be this cute little softy bag in black lambskin. I also have the Mulberry green lambskin, which is essentially the color of this bag. But I wanted to grab this one because the bag inside is going to look fabulous, I think, with the chain on this bag. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. I'm really excited about this one. In fact, if it goes well, I just might want to get more colors, but I'm on a lower by a year and I would have to sell something and I don't have anything left to sell. So perhaps I will have to be just happy with this one unless my boys or somebody gives me one, which I don't know. I tend to buy my own gifts, so that's probably not going to happen unless they're watching this video. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh my gosh, he just kind of popped out of there. So this is the acrylic green mini Bayswater, and acrylic green is kind of a pale robin's egg blue, I think. It is gonna get blown out on the screen. I am wearing black, which is probably not the best color to wear. By the way, this black jacket is a denim jacket by Risen. I am loving Risen clothing, and I love their denim. And so I'll link a website down below where I found a lot of pieces of Risen denim for prices that are really good. It's not an affiliate link or anything, but I love it so much. I have like 3 denim jackets and I don't know how many pairs of jeans because they feel like wearing sweatpants, kind of, almost. So this little bag, what can I say? It's adorable. Look at the little postman's lock. Now, I am not a huge fan of the great big postman's locks on the Lily bag, but I think that this one is adorable. I think it's so cute how tiny it is. And then this little lock, I don't think it's operational because I don't know where the keys are, but isn't it cute how it has that little mulberry tree on it? That is adorable. I think I just said adorable about both those things, but they are. So what can I say? Now this bag, when you open it, all you have to do is just undo that little clasp and pull it open. Voila. And you have a leather lining. I have seen on the website that some of these bags are lined in leather and others appear to be lined in polyurethane. So I'm not really sure what's up with that. This bag, I think it's lined in leather. It smells like leather. It smells like leather. I mean, holy cow. I smelled it before I stuck my nose in, but now I know it smells like leather. It has those little card slats, as you can see. This is not a pocket, I don't think. No, that's not a pocket. But if you look, it does have the card slats, and then it's just an open pit. So I do think my stuff is going to fit inside this bag. And then I have this little care card. I wonder if it'll tell me what I have here. It says Bayswater Shiny Goat Acrylic Green. Now, when I checked it out on the website, it's not actually goat skin, but it's like embossed to look like goat skin. So let's look up close. Can you see that texture? Now, there's also some that have a real heavy grain on them, and I'm tempted by those as well. The temptation is real. I'm going to pop a couple pictures in as I'm talking. There's also this gorgeous pigment blue color. There's a mulberry pink that I was very enticed by. There's a black with silver hardware. And then there's also like a berry color, which is still currently available on the Nordstrom website. But where I got this bag, they're all on sale. And I don't know the exact prices, but they're all on sale. So I think I got the last one of these, but here is the information if you want to try to find one. All of these were available at the outlet at Woodbury in New York. This one was $4.95 and it was like $200 cheaper than the next cheapest one, but the next cheapest one was still a great price. I think it was $6.93 and retail was at least $1,100. So fabulous prices. If you want to know how to get a hold of the sales associates I worked with, just reach out to me and I can send you their contact information. There's also a strap. This was inside the bag and I haven't tried this bag on yet or anything. It's still wrapped up. So let's unwrap it. There are dog leash clips on the ends of the strap and they are embossed there, I think with Mulberry. Although I can't see without my glasses on, so they might say something else, but it's highly unlikely. I imagine it says Mulberry. So there are the two clips. These are a lot like Coach clips, and there is one thing I don't like about the strap, and that is that there is no second keeper for it, but I am thinking I will probably wear it on this length or on the longest length, so it should be okay. This bag is tiny. I really do wonder how my items will fit inside. We'll have to try that. I just downsized a little bit today into the handbag I'm carrying, and so we'll have to see if those items will fit in this one. Oh yes, I am definitely going to probably wear it on the longest length. I hope it didn't leave an imprint from being on this length. Let's go ahead and squeeze it on down. So that is the longest length on me. I think it looks really cute. I think it looked cute one up as well. I might put it back where it was. I don't mind my crossbodies being up a little high. I would not wear this with this denim jacket until I test it to see if it's color fast or not. I'm gonna go do that here in just a second. You can wear it like that, or you can just carry it handheld, and you can certainly remove this. I'm going to put on the chain from my little softie and see how that looks. So I, of course, have two little softies. I have one with gold hardware and one with silver hardware. And so if I get other Mulberry bags, no matter what the hardware color, I'm covered with a chain as well if I want to do a chain by the same brand. Now, you certainly don't have to do that, but I kind of like to whenever it works out. So let's go ahead and clip this on. One of the things that with a touch of luxury didn't like about this bag was that you clip the strap on the back as opposed to like on the sides, which makes it so where you can't just carry it on your shoulder without it tipping forward. And the other thing was how big the dog leash clips are on the crossbody strap. So these are quite large, but you can see you get a much daintier look with the Mulberry chain, and you can buy this chain separately. It's either $375 or $325. So if you can get this chain with one of the little softie bags, you're much better off. And when I got my little softie, that one, the black one I just showed you, I think it was around $500. And so I got the chain, and then basically the bag was less than $200, which is a deal. So this is what the bag does if it's not crossbody. But once you put it on crossbody, it's super cute. I mean, look how well that sits. It's just perfect. And then you can grab it and the chain's gonna dangle adorably underneath. See, just adorable. I love it when something comes together in my head and it works so well. So this little bag with this little chain is super cute. Now, it may look like the flap is crooked, but I'm telling you, it's because it's been sitting on top of this little loop. And I love how that looks, so I'm gonna leave it on, and that's just the way the bag is. But you can just push it down and then it's level, but it doesn't wanna stay that way because it's been trained to be up because it was sitting on top of this. So it is what it is, what can I say? I did go ahead and grab down my Coach Cassie 19. I wanted to show you, this is really a lot paler than the color on the Cassie 19. And the Cassie 19 is not even coming off as bright as it actually is on the screen, in my opinion. And so it is different. They do both have silver hardware. And I guess it's a slight competitor for the Cassie 19. But I don't know. This bag, I think I'm going to hold on to it. Never say never. I might sell it. It's possible. But I'll just have to see how much I like this cutie before I make any decisions. So I have everything I need in my Keep All 25. I'm gonna see how much of it I can fit into this bag. While this is tiny, I mean, it's less than 8 inches across, if I remember correctly. It is about a little over 3 inches deep, and it does have a little bit of height to it. So we may be able to fit more than we would think. So first, let's see if my pouch fits inside. Yes, it does. Hallelujah. Next, let's see if my clay fits inside. Easy peasy. Next, my Gucci card holder. Gonna put that in there. I mean, I have oodles of space. I would imagine I can fit a phone in there still really easily. My pouch with my medicine, just gonna slide that in. Still have plenty of room. My key fob for my car. Tide to go stick, glasses cleaning cloth. Little bit of cash, and I might try to stick that into the card slot. I might have to fold it a couple times to make it work. Like, you need to put it going side to side in the card slots. But it does work side to side. I feel like I have a comb in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. And so I've got my comb. And so everything I had in my Keep All 25, I now have in this little bag, and it all fits. And for fun, let's put a phone case in there and just see if it fits as well. I just laid it on top. It doesn't really have anything smooshing into the inside of it. I could probably even flip it around so it looks more realistic, that it wouldn't take up too much space. And if you go ahead and button the bag up, I can do this one-handed, so it's not too terribly hard to get in and out of it. You'll see that does go underneath, which is sort of annoying. And so if you're doing it up with one hand, you may end up with this stuck underneath, and I don't like that. But I went ahead and pulled it out, and everything is inside. And it's got some girth now, or some weight to it, but that's okay because it has everything I need. And so that is the Mulberry Mini Bayswater. I am really loving it. I think it is so soft, so smooshy. The inside leather, it's like, I'm telling you, it's like delicious. It's like Coach glove tanned leather feeling. And if you felt the inside lining whenever Coach puts glove tan leather on the inside, this feels like that. It's incredible. And it's Coach prices because the bag was $4.95. Even at $6.93, which is what the other colors were, I think, that's still Coach prices. Now, they do have sales, and sometimes they go a little lower, and sometimes they're a little higher. They may be around $800 sometimes. So I can't promise you what price you'll get when you call, if you call. But I will tell you that when I bought this was $4.95, and they had others for $6.93, which is luxury at Coach prices. There's just no way around it. That's what it is. And it holds everything I need. I think it would even be probably stadium appropriate, the size, because it's so tiny, as long as they don't include the handles in their measurements. I need to find that out. But I am loving it. I am all over the place today. I think this is adorable, though. What do you think? Do you think this is something that you need to have? Is this a bag style that would work for you? Or if not, is there another Mulberry style that you absolutely love? Please tell me what you think down in the comments. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.